Wisconsin is also well known for manufacturing, with hundreds of machine shops, large and small, throughout the state. I recently visited a shop in Oshkosh where they make metalworking tools and custom handguns. Well, Ryan, Marvel's been around for quite a while, hasn't it?
It has been. It's 117 years old, and they started out and still make metal cutting bandsaws, machining and assembling, and that's what they've gotten good at. They manufacture and assemble everything here in-house, which, you know, easily transfers over to making, you know, quality 1911s. Is the machining and the assembly is their forte, and that's what we still do with the guns. So Dan, here we are in the machine shop. This is where the beginnings of the 1911 happened for us here at Roberts Defense. It starts off like this out of house as solid bricks of stainless steel. When we receive them in-house, this is what they would look like. So this is what we would call kind of in the business as an 80% frame and slide. They're not considered firearms, and they wouldn't work if you wanted them to. So at this point, we bring these to our machinists and our engineers, and they take these frames and slides and they finish them out with cutting the rails on the frame, drilling some holes, and at that point it would be considered a firearm. So once these two pieces are finished machined, they come out of the machine like this. They have the slide cuts for the grip when you're racking it. They have the sight cuts cut in the top, and it's at this point if anyone wants any special sight cut, that would be programmed into the machine as well, and we do the special cuts for them. And then the frame, the rails are all cut. This part is taken down a little bit, just a little bit of extra metal in certain places. And then the slide, you know, is fit by our machinist to each frame. And then once we get it back from here, they get taken back to the shop.
So you put them together?
I do. Once they're done out in the machine shop, they bring them in here to me, and this is what you saw before they went into the machine. The unfinished. And when they come out, they're tight, and after they come out in a finished state, they're a firearm by ATF standards. We've got 7 days to put the serial number on there. So it's actually laser etched into the stainless or aluminum, depending on what material we're using. You can tell they're a little tight. And that's where we have to go through and hand lap them in, basically conditioning the rails to the slide.
Okay, so you're smoothing the fit there.
Yes, all the parts that we use are oversized, or what is referred to as gunsmith fit. So we go through and hand fit them into the gun, making sure that the tolerances are right and the fit is good.
Okay.
And you'll get this type of feel and fit then.
Oh, okay.
It's in this form where we fit the barrel and the bushing, go through and do the blending with the extractor and the ejector to give you the seamless line when the gun's in battery.
Okay.
And then from there, then it gets worked into a finished firearm that you'd be able to take to the range.
Now, do you test fire them before you send them out?
I do test fire them before I send them out. I put 2 to 3 mags through it. Unless it's for a law enforcement officer, then I put about 10 mags through it. And I do that at a local range here.
Okay, well, I'd like to shoot one.
Let's go. So this is how we load the gun, Dan. We'll grab the mag, insert it, hit your slide stop, and put your safety on.
Okay.
And then for your sight picture, you're going to want to put the top of the sights level with one another and put the dots on top of each other.
All righty. And it's ready to go?
It's ready.
Wow. Let's see how it shoots. Not bad. My first shot was the best one, though.
It happens.
Well, let's try the 9mm.
Let's.
I like the trigger on the 45 better. It's a different feel.
Yeah, it has a little bit different feel.
So, wait a minute, Corey. I'm not going to need ear protection here, am I?
We're not going to need these, no.
Okay. Well, that's good. So, what else is the difference when you're shooting a gun with a suppressor?
Well, shooting a gun with a suppressor, yes, the decibel is reduced, and then so is the felt recoil.
Okay. So it won't kick as much?
No, it won't.
All right, well, hold that if you would.
You bet.
Same sight picture, though, right?
Same sight picture, yes.
Not a bad group, huh?
No, and as you notice, the accuracy is increased too because the pressure behind the bullet is dispersed evenly.
That's interesting.
Yep.
Well, thanks for letting us see these guns and
Yes.
try them out.
Thank
I
you.
really like them.
Thank you.